All right, fam, this is going to be kind of a long one, but we've got a whole bunch of deals and stuff that was added and changed to get into. So let's start off with the small stuff. Right now you can get at most depots. Some of these don't have them anymore, but if you look around in your area, you'll find them. A 2-pack of the Rover 300 magnetic floodlight and the pen light. These are battery-powered, non-rechargeable lights. $29.88. That's about $15 a piece. Not terrible, not great, but if you guys check these out, and quick shout out to all the guys who shared this info in Deal Team 6, Llama Llama, Warmonger, Colin, Denny, Eugene. I'm sure I'm missing somebody there, but they're awesome. Go check them out on IG. Now, where were we? Right. So we're here at our 445 red lithium rechargeable Rover pocket floodlight, $59.97. But check this out, guys. Free gift with purchase. You guys know that this is pretty much all we do these days. Now, if you want the free hat or beanie, go ahead, I guess. But, I mean, why? We usually get those for free anyway, not on a glitch. So if you add the hats and then cancel them out, you're going to wind up with $42.33 for this one. That's not bad at all. Let's clean up that cart really quick before we get to the rest, because this is going to get a bit convoluted. Not convoluted, just there's a lot. Also, the 1100 lumens USB rechargeable flashlight with the twist focus. This is a bad mamma jamma. $79.97. Also features the free hat or beanie. What is it with that gray beanie? A lot of people like that. Anyway, don't pick that if you want to cancel it out. Just select the hat. It's going to be the priciest one of the three. It brings down your flashlight to $60.93. Not bad at all. Also showing up today, I think we talked about this Makita Racetrack BOGO last week. Then he gave us that sideways picture on this, but Colin caught it this morning. They did go live. You're going to follow the link or search for the 4.0 starter kit from Makita on homedepot.com. Go ahead and select your free gift with purchase. If you want the battery set, there's much better ways to get a cheaper Makita battery than this, but these are your options here. The light not being a bad choice. The sander, I think this is going to end up being the cheapest price on the sander, the inflator, and that multi-tool oscillating tool. So let's pick that. Let's see what it comes up to in the cart. It comes right around to $61.90. That's not bad. I think that is definitely going to be an all-time low on that multi-tool. In fact, I'm not sure who doubled up on that buy more, save more from Monday, but if you got this for cheaper, I don't know, maybe around $40? Not sure. Regardless, $62 for that oscillating tool is fantastic. And honestly, that charger with the 4 for $57 ain't half bad. So we'll just leave that in the cart here. One more quick thing about that Monday Glitchapalooza. Home Depot got mad. They got really mad. So a lot of the SKUs for the M12 stuff at this point have been changed from buy more, save more. They've assembled these packaged kits where you get one tool free. You'll recognize a lot of these combinations from Monday that we were able to bring the price down on. So let me give y'all a little peek. And there's tons of these, if you guys can see from the images here. The ratchet, wow, what is that? Die grinder, stubby, high-speed ratchet? Crazy. Yeah, tons of these. Tons and tons of these. Anyway, pick whichever one you'd like. use the ones that say get one free tool. Those are usually the ones that work. And you're going to add your ratchet to bring the price down. It's usually the most expensive item, and I think there's only 4, so come on, Depot. $253 for the one with the stubby. That's not bad. You consider the stubby is worth, in my opinion. I don't know what street value is, but in my opinion, that stubby is worth about $120. That would bring the price of the kit down to about $133, which is not bad. And I think if you do the hack without the stubby, that's roughly what it comes out to anyway. But it is one of the cheaper ways to get that stubby. Also popping up this morning, for you plumbers out there, the cordless short throw PEX press tool with 3 jaws. That's probably going to be what? 3/8, half, and I'm not sure what that other size would be. Oh, wow, this is for big boys here. Half, 3/4, and 1 inch. Now, I am not a plumber, but when I do plumbing, I just use the little PEX clamp tool. But I'm sure if you're running tons of these and doing tons of pressing all day, this isn't a bad choice. So let's see what this breaks down to before I say stuff that I'm not qualified to say about plumbing. Add your hacksaw, as it is the only choice for this promo. Drop it in the cart, and you're getting your PEX press tool for $619. That's not bad. I'm not sure what your other options are for a complete kit, but I don't think I've ever seen anything name brand this cheap before. Let's clean up that cart again real quick before moving on. Tons of stuff in here, tons of changes, and I'm sure, guys, there's going to be more glitches. As always, if you find something, either drop it in the comments, and I usually pick it up in time, or if you need to get at me right away, hit me up on IG, Joe the Tool Guy. The final thing that popped up this morning are the M18 fuel kits. Now, these were originally supposed to be part of the Buy More, Save More. If you guys recall from Monday when, God, there was a hammer drill kit that was coming down to right around 150-ish with 2 batteries. Just absolutely insane. They fixed it. So here's the metal cutting deep cut bandsaw kit, $619. Comes with 2 5.0s, a regular charger. God, why can't they put the multi-charger, the rapid charger in that kit? That would make it a much better deal. Regardless, it is currently hackable. Let's go ahead and see what our choices are and see what our final price comes down to, whatever. As always, when running the hack, you're going to want the most expensive tool from the bunch, in this case, the metal cutting bandsaw. The metal cutting circ saw, $219. That's the one you're going to want to select to cancel. Throw them in the cart with reckless abandon for your wallet. $457 on the deep cut bandsaw, 2 5.0s. You know, that brings the deep cut right around to $350-ish. So while this is the cheapest price on the kit, if you don't need the hard case or the charger or the batteries, it might be worth waiting for this bandsaw to pop up on the Buy More, Save More, because if you guys check the bandsaw itself, the deep cut, it is listed as a Buy More, Save More item. It's just a matter of time, guys. So that's going to do it for this one. Links in the description down below. Have at it, fam. Good luck.